So I got a box in the mail from Italy today, and I'm super excited. This is my first pair that I ordered as made to order, specifically from Meccariello. They do super nice work, and so I'm excited. So as I look through the stuff, a lot of paper in here. I want to take a look at these shoes. And so, what do we have? Now, I did not order trees. I might need to. But look at these. Very cool. And I ordered a 9.5. They're unlined and they're roomy, or as Antonio says, comfy. So I'm hoping that these will fit fine. I ordered another pair, which I'll do a separate unboxing video for, which I did as, and you look at that, they have a little bit of lining on the tongue, but the rest of the shoe, I guess they did thin lining, or maybe that's just, it looks like it's lined. It does have a stitch there. Down here. See, look at that. So that's the outer skin of the leather. This is the difference between good suede and not so good suede. It's when it's basically they turn the regular leather inside out and you get suede. Now you can see the pattern and the stitching there. Subtle. It's not necessarily as clear as I'd like it. It's definitely there. And that is what I was hoping for. He's got his own sole on here. It's very interesting crepe sole. You know, these are summer shoes, and really I wanted to make sure that I got the fit right, and then I'll do a pair of Centurion. And this is the Capri. And this is hand welted. So very excited about these. So here is the other one. You can see what they did on the back. They have this, looks like a little tab, which is kind of nice. Again, just excellent quality work. And it's going to be, I'm gonna have to relace them because he's got the, you know, they do the super fast stitch thing. So then I'll take this and I'll put that to the side. Then I'll probably just use regular shoe trees. I did not get trees from him. Probably a mistake. I probably should have. But, you know, I don't usually do it when I see it on his website because his trees are A, expensive, and B, you know, you have to wait. But if you wait the same length as you do for the shoe, it's not a big deal there. And then you get them together. So here are the shoes again. And, you know, I went with a little bit of a lighter color brown compared to my other suede split toes. So as we look at these, I'm just going to grab a couple of my suedes. So this is a darker brown. This is a similar shade in brown, but also darker. And then, of course, I have the polo brown here, the Carlos Santos. That's a lot lighter. So this is really kind of an in-between, which I like. So it's not really the same as any of my others. You know? This is another one. That's another one. See, that's more along this color. Okay, and it's like, it's just different shades of brown. And there's, you know, there's a little bit of difference among these, but for the most part, this one and this one and this one are the same. And then you have the difference. So Carmina, TLB, Crockett and Jones, all pretty much the same color, and actually the same color as my Paraboot as well. But my Meccariellos are different. And that is okay with me. Thanks for watching.